Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna make a quick video of the trade that I took on XAUUSD, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I took this trade. So we're just gonna start from a daily time frame towards my 15 minutes point of interest. So let's just get to it. Okay, so we're now on the daily time frame. So we're gonna mark our market structure to see where the market is reacting to. So I have this breakout structure here. Let's place a breakout structure, and I have this order block that the market reacted to. The market reacted to this order block, but it's more like a fair value gap. But there's a fair value gap in here, so but the market reacted here. So now we're not going to pay attention to what's happening here. We're just going to pay attention to what's going on here. So let's drop down to the 4-hour time frame. So in the 4-hour time frame, I'm going to mark this breakout structure. This breakout structure, and this order block that gave us this breakout structure. And I'm going to mark this breakout structure again. We have another breakout structure here. We have this breakout structure. So the market reacted to this breakout structure. I'm sorry, to this order block. So let's drop down to the 2-hour time frame. We're going to keep on refining our entry models. We're going to keep on refining our entry models. My network is My Wi-Fi is not working well today. I don't know why, but I'm just gonna have to wait a little bit. In this trade, I was actually able to capture a really good amount of money. I made a really good money on this trade. So yeah, let's keep on refining our order block, our point of interest. The markets reacted here, so I just want to show you guys how I took this trade. So I'm just going to keep on refining this until I reach where I entered for the short sell. So I'm just going to keep on refining this order block. The market structure, the breakout structure is good there. Let's refine this order block to the 1-hour time frame. So now let's drop down to the before we drop down to the 15-minute time frame, let me just mark this upside breakout structure. We have this breakout structure again, and we had another breakout structure here. This breakout structure, let's leave it like that. Let's mark the order block that gave us this sharp move down. So let's drop down to the 15-minute time frame. Just want to show you guys the trade that I took. It was somewhere around there, but before that, let me just keep on refining this so that you guys can see clearly where I actually took the trade. So yeah, it's good there. Okay, now let's pay attention to this. So in my 15 minutes time frame, as you can see, the market reached my 50 minutes point of interest, the order block. I used to take aggressive entries, but I don't take them anymore because I think I lost 5 trades in a row, and I had to like do something about my strategy. I had to refine it a little bit, you know. So the market reached my 50-minute point of interest. So I dropped down to the 5-minute time frame. So on the 5-minute time frame, the market, it has reached my 50-minute point of interest, right? So after that, in the 5-minute time frame, I had to wait for the liquidity sweep, the change of character, which is the market shift, and then my point of interest, which is an order block plus my fair value gap, if the fair value gap is present. So this is where the market cleared liquidity to the upside. So let's just mark this X. We're just going to put X here to show that the market actually cleared liquidity here. After that, the market gave us this market shift right here. So this was the market shift that the market gave us. We're just going to mark that CH, which symbolizes change of character. And we had this order block right here. After the market gave me the market shift, I marked my order block, which is my point of entry, and then I positioned myself like this for a short sell. Just put it like, let's put it there. Let's just do it like this, and then I positioned myself like that. I took my take profits. I'm actually still on this trade. I'm still on this trade. So for my stop loss, I placed my stop loss above this last week rejection. My stop loss was all the way above there, and for my take profits, my take profit is all the way down here. So my take profit is all the way down here. So as you can see, in this trade I am still in profit. I am just waiting for a couple of pips before I actually hit my take profits. So yeah, just a quick recap. What I did, I waited for the market. I waited for the market to reach my 15 minutes point of interest, right? So this was the order block from the 15 minutes. So the market reached my 15-minute point of interest right there. So I dropped down to the 5-minute time frame. In the 5-minute time frame, I had to identify three things actually: the liquidity sweep, the market shift, and then my point of interest, which is an order block plus a fair value gap. So this was my liquidity sweep. Market swept liquidity to the upside, and it gave me this change of character right here. And after this change of character, I marked my order block right here. After the order block, I entered for a short sell, and right now I am actually in good profits. So I'm just gonna hold this trade and see how it goes. Probably I'm gonna win this trade because the market is actually so close to my take profits. So yeah, this is how I took this trade. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe. But before you go, I just have a quick announcement. I actually bought the equipments for my YouTube, the strip-on, the headphones, the background, so that I can improve my background content and actually improve the voice. So yeah, thank you guys so much.